Hello everyone, this is Divya here, and today we're going to see on importance of balanced diet along with workout for a healthy living. What does balanced diet means? Balanced diet means a good amount of nutrition in a good amount of proportions, that's what I would say, and it varies according to individual, and the individual needs totally varies. The calorie needs for every individual varies a lot. So what we have to do to go along with a workout is a balanced diet means you have to include all the nutrients into the diet. You cannot get us every nutrient in just from a single food. You have to go for all the varieties of food to have a balanced variety of nutrition support to your body. For example, you have to say you have to take care of cereals to get the energy source, you have to take care of pulses to get the protein and the energy, and fat, which is concentrate source of energy, which will take care of the various mechanism which is happening inside our body, which is required for fat soluble vitamins in our body. And we have vitamins and minerals which is very much present in fruits and vegetables, which are required for the whole body functioning, for different each and every part to function. This is what we say. And along with that, fiber, which is not to be called as a nutrient, but it has its own major role in our body. It makes our feel satiety, it makes our system, cleanse the system and make our food feel for a longer time. So these all nutrients together, if taken in a good proportion amount, that is what we have to say a balanced diet. If you have to go along with a workout, when a balanced diet and perfect workout is done, your whole metabolism, your whole system will be in a proper direction. You will be concentrating not only the diet or not only the workout, both has to go hand in hand, and then only you will feel a evident result. You cannot deficit on your calories. If you're deficiting on your calories, for example, if I have to say, if weight loss is your goal, to be more specific, and you're deficiting on your calories, not only the calories you are deficiting on, but the nutrients also. So you will not find the evident result as such. You have to make your weight under control. For that, the workout and the diet has to go on a hand in hand. And if the weight has been under control, for every individual there is a marking, there is a BMI, there is a recommended weight they have to scale on. So if you are going by that scales, and if you're following all the nutrients into your diet and not avoiding any particular food into the diet, then you will definitely see the sensible weight you want to see. And at the same time, you can avoid the chronic diseases like diabetes, obesity, which is all being targeted only because of weight, or either the diet being going somewhere wrong. During your workout, there is something which you have to concentrate on, like pre-workout snack and post-workout snack. It need not to be a meal or something, but it can be just a snack which you can munch on previous to your workout and post your workout. It can be a cup of juice. And why is it all needed to be highlighted on pre-workout snack and post-workout snack? Because during your workout, you are trying to burn calories. Your calories is needed during the workout. So you shouldn't end up having too much tired and fatigue and fall asleep post your workout. And post your workout, whatever the calories you are burning, you're trying to burn which is unused calories, which are not being utilized for your daily workout. I mean, not on your daily base of activity. For that, you have to take a post-workout snack within a half an hour of period of time, so that you will replenish the losses which you have been spent all the day. So it is very essential to take a pre-workout snack so that you don't end up fall asleep or fatigue or too tired post your workout, and a post-workout snack so that you will replenish the loss.